Okay, so once you've finished SRT, you need to do word rec. So you're gonna change your test type using the button or the mouse to word recognition. And this defaults to new 6, which is fine for an adult. And then you can hit your interrupt button to start presentations and use your correct and incorrect score. And I forgot to mention, go ahead and mark correct, and it'll continue on. So you just keep scoring as you go. And if something's incorrect, you would mark it, and it keeps track of your score for you. You do want to make sure that you're 40 dB SL or at a comfortable level when you're doing this. And you would, in theory, do all 25 to 50 words, but for purposes of the video, we're going to stop it right there. So when you're ready to stop, you want to hit uninterrupt. And we've only marked 8, but we're going to go ahead and store it. And you'll see that it saves it with a percentage score. And you can do this through the speaker and add in your aided, whether it's a hearing aid or a CI. So you have multiple uses for this, but you want to make sure that you're keeping track of the score on the screen. All right, so we're going to start this over and show you what to do in case you mess up. So you can start here. Let's say you hit correct, and for whatever reason, it didn't move forward to the next word, and you hit interrupt, and it's like, oops, I already said that one. But if I mark it again correct, you see my number gets higher. So we can go back in and correct that later, as long as you keep track of what they actually got correct and didn't. So we'll just do these top 7 for the purpose of the video. And we're gonna pretend that they got 2 wrong out of 7. But we know that now it's keeping track of 8 instead of 7. So we're gonna clear using the clear button, and we're gonna say 5 correct, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna say 2 incorrect, 1, 2, and that should be your correct score. Now this is gonna happen out of 25 or out of 50, but then I can hit store and it does end up saving it. So don't freak out if in the moment you accidentally push buttons too many times. You can go back and correct.